Write the equation of a line going through the point 3, comma 2, parallel to that right there. Okay? So parallel means what? The slope would be equal, right, to this. So once we find the slope for this line, then we use that slope with that point, and that's what we need. So we need to solve for y on this guy, right, to get y equals mx plus b. So that means we need to get rid of x on this side. So plus 3x here, plus 3x there. Those guys cancel. So now we have 7y equals 3x minus 19. Then we have to what? Divide by 7, everything. And I think we can see that the slope is going to be, what, 3 over 7. The thing before the x, right? So if we cancel these, the wind up here is y equals 3/7 x minus 19 over 7. So we're dealing with a slope of 3 over 7. There's the slope symbol, 3 over 7. So now we need to come up with the equation of the line. We have a couple different ways, right? We have two different formulas we can use. One is to just use y equals mx plus b. And the other one is this one here where we have y1 minus y sub 1, that is, equals mx sub 1 minus x. Actually, it goes the other way around. Let's try that again. Let's see how much of this I can get rid of. I just put my sub 1s in the wrong place. Okay, and the other one is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So the y sub 1 and the x sub 1 are the point that we put in, and the y and the x, the plain y and the x, those stay there. So I kind of like to do it that way because then it's only a one-step process. So that means it's this, y minus something equals m times x minus something. And then we're going to put in the m right there. And we see that the m is the 3/7. So we'll put that right there, 3 over 7. And then our y that goes there is the y from up here, 3 comma 2. So that's the 2. And then the x is the 3. Okay. So we still wind up here with y minus 2. And then we have 3/7 x. Right, we're going to multiply this times that, and then this times that. So 3/7 times x, 3/7 x. And then 3/7 times minus 3 is minus 9 over 7. Then in front here, we need to get rid of this 2 so that we have y by itself. So plus 2 over here, and plus 2 over there. Okay, so that goes away, and we wind up with y equals 3/7 x minus 9 over 7 plus, now we have to write 2 as a fraction over 7. Any guesses? Like maybe 14 over 7, right? That makes sense? We need to, if we say that 2 is the same as 2 over 1, right? And we need that to be a fraction over 7. then what do? Well, that means we have to multiply this bottom guy by 7, which means we also have to multiply the top by 7, right? So to get a 7 on the bottom, we need to multiply 7 times 1. That gives us a 7 on the bottom. When we multiply the 7 times the 2, that gives us the 14 on top, right? So therefore, the 2 is written as a 14 over 7. Now we see 14 minus 9 is what? I don't know, 5 maybe? So that gives us this, 3/7 x. Why are these x's so hard? There we go. Plus 5 over 7. Okay, and that is, let's see if I can do this again. Nope. Okay, that's it. So let's see. 3/7 x. How come there's no 5 over 7? What did I mess up? Huh?
Should be B.
Where did I mess up?
If you put at the top.
Oh, yeah.
Series x minus -3.
X minus.
It's minus 14 over 7 instead of plus 14 over 7 is what it should be.
Yeah, that's what it should be.
Because then it'd be 23 over 7.
But didn't we add 2 to both sides?
Yeah.
Is this actually y minus 2 to begin with? It is, right? So we have to add 2 on this side to get rid of this. So when we add 2 over there, isn't that plus 14 over 7? Makes it look like it should have been a negative, huh, to get 23 over 7. And both numbers were positive, so we didn't have any kind of negative going on, right?
No, it is a -3.
Huh? It is a -3.
Yeah.
So I copied the problem wrong, huh? I did. See, I have it 3, 2, but really it's -3, 2. Well, if it was this, it would be right. But it's not this, huh? It's that. So in that case, right, it would be what, this? This, B. Right. Okay, well, in that case, it's a good idea to pay attention to the original problem, huh? So B, there it is. Whee! Well, that was fun. Doing the wrong problem. Love it. Okay. What about this? Find the two slopes and then compare them and see what happens, huh? Hit it. Well, that movie is unnecessary. Actually, it isn't, because that's the right answer. So I guess I will keep that. Equation of a line.